you are editing a photo in the Pixlr app and you want to really erase the effects or like the adjustment that you have just made, but you're trying to figure out how to, then you have come to a right place. In this video, I'm going to show you how to erase in Pixlr app. It's quite simple and all you have to do is follow along. So without any further ado, let's dive right in. First thing first, let's tap into the app itself, and here, suppose, okay, let's edit this photo, okay. Okay, how about let's make it more like black and white so that the changes will be more visible to you guys. So once you've edited this, let's go to this top left corner. You can see a mint green kind of circle. There you can see a sign of eraser. Let's tap in there. Let's tap into the eraser option, and all you have to do is, like, you know how you erase your erase in your textbook, you can do that and see how the edits that I have done before has like just come out, right? So there's also another option that is literally you can go back to your edit. So there's a brush icon. Let's tap in there and you can use it just like how you erased before. So see, we just come back. So it's actually fun and it's quite like convenient as well. So this is how you use the eraser icon. This is how you erase. Let's go all the way. So it's quite simple. So this is how you erase in Pixlr. And yeah, I hope this video was helpful. If so, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.